In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete forecast series. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions in order to do this. Then click on Forecasts. Next, go to your new top menu bar and select Series. Then choose the series you would like to edit or delete. If I click this arrow, I can choose any of these series I have created. I'll go ahead and choose Copy Shop C. If I wanted, I could rename this series. Maybe this is the wrong location, and this data is actually for After Hours, the restaurant. I could also add an external ID. Maybe I'll just put 001 to have something there. And a description. Maybe I'll put June data. I could change the type of series. Right now I have it on value. I could change it to budget, but I'm going to leave that part alone. If you're happy with your edits, click Save. And now those changes have been saved. If instead of editing this series, I just need to delete it altogether, I can choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this series. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that forecast series has been deleted. When you delete a series, you also automatically delete the models used to create that series. That's how you can edit and delete series in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete models.